Hanging Kumamsa, Tenzamima, and Zumba instructor, doing the basic Zumba routine. Let's go. Okay, so on the Zumba time and Zumba steps is another. Ding you like to be warm and stretching the leg. Okay, so Hambo step, first step then, Hambo right knee, front the leg. Okay, so right front the leg, left knee, and front the leg. Right back one, back, nice. So catch it, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Catch it up, front, back. This side, okay, so let's go. Side and side. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, side. Nice. And this jump chair. Jump because center land. So jump and jump. Okay. Slow down. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump. Nice. So first step we go to combo. This has a lapa. So open right, left open, close down. And this open, close and down. Okay, so together with each other. Right. Okay, same leg. Cheek by 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now open to the right. Nice. Left now. Jump close and left. Exactly. So condition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump down. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump down. Nice. First step left. Second step. Let's go. Okay, so second step we can check hard from the right knee. Okay, so 1 and back. Okay, sir. Okay, so part of the lapa 1, 2, back. 1 more time. 5, 6, and go. 1, 2, back. So shoulder, okay? Yeah, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, shoulder roll. Nice. Left shoulder, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, shoulder roll. Okay, let's go together. Slow down. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Okay, let's go. Engaging now. That is passing. 5, 6, 7, go now. 1, 2, shoulder roll. 1, 2, nice. Go. 1, 2, shoulder roll. 1, 2, and stop. Okay. Okay, so third step. Let's go. Third step. Second step. Open your right palm, right knee. That is down chair. Okay, down chair. Down chair. Cross. Then is mark. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross, 7 cross and down, 8 shoulder down. So combo open 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cross, 7 cross and 8 down. Okay, so each 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and stop. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, slow down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross and stop. Nice. Third step is chair. Let's go. Fourth step. So the fourth step 스텝과 4 스텝과 같이 하려면 이 스텝을 그냥 같이 하면 적 చేయ다. 오케이. So 그냥 이 소고기 누가 다니 그냥 적 చేయ다. 다시 그냥 적 안고 똑같이 이제 그냥 저가 진주리 도착과 so 그냥 되게 있으니 적 చేయ다. So 적 చేయ다. Let's put it down. This project okay, so 3-4 step입니다. 4 step that's it. Okay, so 4 step 이후에 4 step 사사우체 다 같이 하려면 줌바 쉐이크 있습니다. Let's go.
Shake your body, girl. Move your body, girl. 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 Wind up, wind up, wind up, wind up, wind up, wind up. Wind this up. Wind up, wind up, wind up, wind up, wind up. Car, you wind this up. Wind up, wind up, wind up, wind up, wind up, wind up. Wind this up. Wind up, wind up, wind up, wind up, wind up. Car, you wind this up. What is it? Easy! Shake your body, girl. Move your body, girl. 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 Shake your body, girl. Move